Hey everyone, and welcome back to another KodeKloud-Engineer challenge solution. Today's task is a security audit cleanup. We need to find all CSS files on app server to within the directory var www.htmlus and copy only those files to a new location, called news, while preserving their parent directory structure. This last part is the tricky bit. First, SSH into app server 2. Next, it's safest to switch to the root user for file operations with sudo -i. Finally, let's navigate to the source directory. Our first requirement is to find all the files. We can use the powerful find command. This command confirms all the files we need to target. Now for the main requirement, copying these files while maintaining their directory structure without copying everything else. First, we'll try to do it with the rsync command. This is the command a system administrator usually prefers because it's fast and reliable for selective copying. Only if the rsync command is not available, then we will proceed with the find command. We'll use the reliable find and cp-parents combo as our backup plan. This command achieves the same goal by instructing cp to recreate the relative path for every CSS file it copies. The copy is done. Let's verify our work to make sure the task is complete. We'll run a final find command on the destination folder, News. You should see the list of copied CSS files, each with its full directory structure under News. Perfect. We met all three requirements, especially the one about not copying the entire source directory. That is, if this video helped you solve the challenge, please hit the like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.